Hey guys, it's your girl Bree here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a soft glam look. I was going more for a natural look, but this is what I came up with. So I'm just going to go ahead and go with it. And if you guys are interested in learning how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm going to be doing a soft glam look just because I feel like I've been doing a lot of color lately and I kind of wanted to tone it down a little bit. So I am going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette just because I feel like this is perfect for a natural look. My eyebrows are already good to go. I did a little bit of these two colors, Cypress Umber and Rustic are the shades I used for my eyebrows, and then I went through with Anastasia Beverly Hills, their brow gel, their tinted one in soft brown. I already used some concealer for my eyelids as well as setting it with a setting powder from Becca. So the first shade I'm going to be going in with the palette is Orange Soda, which is very self-explanatory. It's a light orange color right there. And I'm going to use this on a Morphe M573. I'm just going to go ahead and put this color on my outer crease just to blend it out of the crease, doing windshield wiper motions. And you just want to tilt your head a little bit back and then you can see where you're going. Now I'm going to go back in with a Morphe, just a regular fluffy brush, just to make sure there are no harsh lines. You want to make sure everything is blended out. Today I just read that nail salons are open again, so I'm so stoked about that. I haven't got my nails done in obviously like 3 months, I think. So I cannot wait to go back to the nail salon. I'm going to treat myself to a little massage, a nice pedi, and a gel mini. I'm sure a whole bunch of people, I'm sure they're gonna be so busy because people haven't been able to get their nails done. It's gonna be packed. People are gonna be making money there. The next shade that I wanna go in with is going to be Sienna, this one right here. So I'm gonna be taking this one, this color on a Morphe R37, which is a crease brush, and just working it into the inner crease. The shade right here called Rose Pink, which is a light pink color, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And you don't want to go too high, otherwise it will transfer up onto your upper lid area. So try and keep it low. Actually, I'm going to deepen it up a little bit. Not only am I going to use Sienna, but I'm also going to use this shade over here, Mulberry, just mix the two together and then put it in the crease. Oh my goodness, so sorry about that. I just noticed that my bobby pin was like hanging down. I don't know how I missed that, but I'm sorry. It was just dangling over here and I had to fix myself. So, actually I think it was on this side. Yeah, it was on this side. So, my bad. Now that I have both eyes done, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the lower lash line. And I think for that color, Orange Soda and Sienna, I'm gonna mix the two for the lower lash line to smoke it out a little bit. I'm gonna use a pencil brush for that. It always looks a little crazy at first, but then at the end it all comes together and then it looks bomb. I put a little bit of Sienna on it now. Yes. Sienna is coming out. It's really bringing this look together. That is so freaking pretty. I love it in palettes when the colors really come together and the looks turn out so beautiful, because obviously there's a reason why these colors are put in the palette, but when you actually see it, when you create a look, that is one of my most favorite things. Like when certain colors just really bring out another one, I think it's so beautiful. I'm like, that's when you know it's a good palette, you know? That's when you really know. These colors are really coming together, especially on my lower lash line, and I haven't even put in the brown yet. Trying so hard not to make that ugly open mouth face. It's just so hard because I'm like literally tickling my eyelashes right now with the brush because I'm not trying to go like that because that is not cute, girlfriend. All right. So now that I have that, I'm gonna go back in with that Cypress Umber and I'm gonna put this in the waterline. I am just using a dark brown versus a black just because I feel like that is softer. It's less harsh than a black. If I wanted to do glam, I would definitely use a black color. But since it's a soft, natural look, we're gonna be using brown. Oh, okay, stop. So I'm just gonna be laying it down. You see how difficult it is for me now not to make that face? There we go. I'm gonna go back in with the same pencil brush and just make sure it is blended out and it doesn't look very harsh. I'm excited. I feel like I'm learning things almost every time I film, something different, you know? I'm like, oh, I forgot this. Oh, I need to do this. And it's just like, damn, every single video I learn something different. Yes, I love it. I'm still new, but hey, I'm not complaining. Now for a little bit of inner corner highlight, I'm going to be going in with the shade Glistening. I'm going to use a Lamora detailed pencil brush. Just dip it in there. I'm going to be using Lily lashes. I'm going to do this off camera just to save some time. My last video I showed you guys actually how to put on some lashes, so I figured this time I'll spare you. And when I come back, you will see that I have already put my lashes on. And I'm going to be using the style Light Mink Luxe Lily lashes. Alright, so what I did off camera, I applied my false lashes. I tightlined the waterline on the upper part with a black liner just so the lashes would blend in and there are no spaces in between. I applied NYX Pore Filler, L'Oreal 206 Buff Beige. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. I'm gonna go under the eyes, the chin. I look super tan. Yay. When our swimming pool is gonna open, man? I wanna start swimming. I miss the pool. Whatever, just give me a pool and a nail salon and I will be a happy girl. To the center of the forehead. To set my face, I'm going to be using Coty Airspun. Lightly tapping. I worked out today. My sister and I did this really hard arm workout. I suck at arms. Like, I don't know what it is. I'm just a leg kind of girl. And arms, like, I seriously suck. So bad. And it hurts too. Like, I struggle because I have no upper body. I, like, know it. So arms, like, I already know I'm gonna be sore tomorrow. Going in with Morphe Glamour Bronze in Megastar. Flawless face brush. Just lightly tap. You know what they say, the bigger the hoop, the bigger the... I don't know if people actually know that joke. But it's a joke, okay? I'm gonna do a light bake as well using that Coty Airspun. I was watching Jaclyn the other day because she's one of my favorites, Jaclyn Hill. She uses so much freaking powder. I'm like, dude, is that how much powder I'm supposed to be using when I'm baking? Because she always uses like more than this too. And I'm like, dude, is that how much I'm supposed to be using? Or maybe that's just like her preference. I don't know. But I'm gonna try and be like Jaclyn today. You guys can see what I'm doing. So I am doing a little bit of baking. Oof, got it on my ear. Right here and a little bit to straighten the nose a little bit more. While I'm doing that, I'm going to apply some blush. I'm gonna be using Ciate London Marbled Light. I think I said this in my last video, but I don't like to put bake under my eyes just because I feel like it dries my eyes out even more. It can make me look really, really old, so that's why I don't do under my eyes. Make sure you brush up. Are you brushing down? It just gives it a little bit more of a clean look, so the bronzer doesn't look all over. Trippy ass mirror. Is there something on here? What the hell? That's weird. Moving on, my glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the sun dipped one. I'm gonna use a combination of moonstone and bronze, so these two shades. I'm gonna mix them together for the nose. I really want to do a bronzy look for you guys as well. I think that would be really good, something for summer, so a summer glow bronze look I'm definitely gonna do. I love doing bronzy looks. That is just my vibe. I love being tan. Arch. Look at that. Look at that glow. That is so freaking pretty. I'm gonna do a matte lipstick, but then I'm also gonna do a gloss. I'm going to be using Milani Amore, I think that's how you say it, Amore Matte in the color Pretty. Oh, this smells so good. This smells like cupcakes. I'm going to apply my setting spray. For setting spray, I'm going to be using NYX Dewy Finish. This one right here. One Vanilla Cream Pie. How are we liking this look? How are we feeling her? Does she look good? Does she look soft glam? Like hanging out with your friends, going out to brunch, going day drinking, all that good stuff? I think it does look perfect. Let me know what you think about this look. If you liked it, you loved it, you hated it, let me know. Any kind of feedback, I would love to get something. Please comment, give me something. I don't have anything. Well, sometimes a few of my friends every now and then. But I want to hear from you guys. Please give me any kind of feedback as to if you'd like to see anything, you want to request a look for me to do, you want me to use a certain product, please let me know in the comments. That would be awesome and great and grand and all that good stuff. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please leave it a like, a comment, or better yet, subscribe to my channel. Show your girl some love, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. It's not gonna hurt nobody. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Same thing on the other side. I don't know why I got up. What was I doing, bro? Why do I always forget what I'm doing? They've got browns. Ew, how did I say browns? Brands. Next time. Hair is all over me. Jeez. Still on. Dusted. Ooh, I almost put it in my blush. That would have been bad. What's that noise? This mirror is dirty. Why are all my mirrors dirty, bro? Jesus. Not a cute look. Okay. Get it right, get it tight. But I didn't do it on purpose, I swear. I'm already hungry. Great.